If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To perform almost any task on a layer in Photoshop, you must first select it. To select a layer in Photoshop, click its name in the Layers panel. Clicking a layer in the Layers panel in Photoshop then makes it the active layer in the Layers panel. After selecting a layer, changes you then make only affect the content in the selected layer, protecting the content of the other layers. However, for some tasks in Photoshop, like linking layers, you may need to select multiple layers at the same time. To select multiple non-adjacent layers in Photoshop, click the name of the first layer in the Layers panel to select it. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard or the Command key for Macs. Then click to select the other non-adjacent layers. Alternatively, to select adjacent layers in Photoshop in the Layers panel, click the name of the first layer in the Layers panel to select it. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click the name of the last layer to select it. All layers, including and between the two layers you clicked, are then selected. To deselect selected layers, click into the blank area in the Layers panel or choose Select, Deselect Layers from the menu bar. Selecting the correct layer is often a source of aggravation for new Photoshop users. If you are trying to change an image and find the changes are not applied, make sure you selected the correct layer. This is easy to overlook when learning how to use Photoshop and its layers. Be sure to double check your layer selection before making a change in a Photoshop document that contains multiple layers. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.